Hello students, today we'll study how to apply animation and transition to our slides. So first we need to understand what is animation. Animation is a visual effect applied to individual items on the slide such as graphics, titles or bullet points. Means if we want to do changes in a particular slide or a particular object in a slide, then we need to do animations there. So these are the steps how we can apply animations to our slide. First we need to select the title or the object that we need to animate. Suppose I need to animate this title. So I have selected this title. Now I'll go to animations tab. From here in the animation group, I'll choose the type of animation that I want for my slide. So here are the various options like fade, wipe, fly in. So we can choose any from this for our slide. Suppose I want to choose fly in. So it will appear like this. Now we need to understand what is transition. Slide transitions are motion effects that occur in slideshow view when you move from one slide to another during a presentation. So what do we mean by transition? When we move from one slide to another, then how the slides will appear to us, that comes under transition. Now, these are the steps that we need to follow for applying transitions to our slides or presentation. First, we need to go in animation. After that, in the transitions to new slide tab or group, various transition options are available that we can select. Suppose I'm choosing this for this current slide. For the first one slide, I'm choosing this transition effect. And for the last one slide, I'm choosing the other one effect like this. Now, we can view all these slides or a presentation in the slideshow view. So for this, we need to go in the slideshow tab. From here, we'll click on beginning. From beginning, here we can see our presentation and the effects that we have applied. So in this way, we can apply transitions and animations to our slide. Thank you.